Hi, I'm Mark Garner, your local Telford estate agent, and today we've got another property tour for you. Behind me here, we've got this 3-bed detached property. Comes complete with garage and off-road parking as well. It's in the Ketley area. This one was built in 2001. We've got downstairs WC. We've got a kitchen, which has got built-in oven, hob, extractor unit, fridge, freezer. There's even space for your washing machine and dishwasher. It really must be seen, this one. We've then got the lounge leading through into a conservatory, which they've created into a lovely bar area. Great for entertaining, with double doors straight out onto the rear garden, which is beautifully done as well. On the upstairs, we've got 3 good bedrooms, an ensuite with shower cubicle to bedroom 1 and a family bathroom. So let's get you inside, let you have a look around. Follow me. Oh, you're back. So that's it, guys. That's the end of this property tour. I really do hope you agree. This is going to make a lovely family home for either a first-time buyer, young family. It's in a really great area, close to local amenities and good schools. If you are interested in booking a viewing on this one, or you know anybody that is, hit me up on any of the social media platforms that you found this video on, or you can reach me on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it for this one, guys. See you on the next video.